Stop guessing and start knowing. Materials Compass gives you immediate access to environmental data for construction materials mapped to their source. Explore local suppliers and reduce embodied carbon from the start. Browse over 300,000 materials across every major category, filter by performance, certifications or carbon footprint, and identify lower impact options faster. Review verified sustainability data from leading manufacturers, access their EPDs and company credentials all in one place. Compare materials side by side on key indicators like global warming potential. Use trusted third-party verified data to meet compliance and procurement requirements. Create and manage project-specific materials list, track quantities, unit costs and total environmental impact using high-quality curated datasets. Make carbon transparency a standard part of your workflow. Explore Materials Compass and specify with confidence.